Getting started with high-intensity interval training. Introduction to high-intensity interval training, HIIT. High-intensity interval training, also known as HIIT, is a form of exercise that alternates between periods of high-intensity activity and periods of low-intensity activity or no activity. This type of training can be performed using any type of equipment, but is often done using body weight exercises, sprints, or kettlebell swings. HIIT has been shown to be an effective way to improve cardiovascular fitness and burn fat in a short amount of time. In fact, one study showed that participants who performed HIIT 3 times per week for 8 weeks improved their VO2 max, a measure of cardiovascular fitness, by 6%, while those who did traditional aerobic exercise 3 times per week only improved their VO2 max by 3%. If you're looking to get started with HIIT, there are a few things you should keep in mind. First, make sure that you warm up properly before each session. Second, start with shorter intervals and gradually work your way up to longer intervals as your fitness level improves. And finally, make sure to cool down and stretch after each workout. The benefits of high-intensity interval training. High-intensity interval training has a ton of benefits that make it a great choice for those looking to get into shape. For one, HIIT is a great way to torch calories. A typical HIIT workout can burn upwards of 500 calories in just 30 minutes, making it a very efficient way to work out. HIIT is also great for improving cardiovascular health. Studies have shown that HIIT can help improve VO2 max, the amount of oxygen your body can use during exercise, and decrease blood pressure. Additionally, HIIT has been shown to be beneficial for mental health. A recent study found that HIIT can reduce depression and anxiety symptoms in adults. HIIT can also improve brain function and memory. So if you're looking for a workout that is effective and has a plethora of benefits, look no further than high-intensity interval training. How to get started with high-intensity interval training. If you're looking to get started with high-intensity interval training, there are a few things you'll need to do beforehand. First, make sure that you have the proper equipment. This includes a good pair of running shoes, if that's what you're going to be doing, comfortable clothing, and a water bottle. Second, warm up before you work out by doing some light cardio and stretching. Third, during your workout, be sure to push yourself as hard as you can while still maintaining good form. Finally, cool down after you work out by doing some light cardio and stretching. High-intensity interval training workouts. High-intensity interval training, HIIT workouts, are a great way to start your heart rate up and burn calories in a short amount of time. HIIT involves alternating between short bursts of all-out effort and active recovery periods. While there are many different ways to structure an HIIT workout, a common approach is to start with a warm-up period of easy activity, followed by 4 to 8 intervals of 30 seconds to 1 minute of hard effort, separated by 1 to 2 minutes of active recovery. After the intervals, cool down with an easy 5 to 10 minutes of activity. HIIT workouts can be performed using any type of cardio equipment or even body weight exercises. If you're new to HIIT, start with shorter intervals and work your way up as you get more comfortable with the intensity level. Remember to listen to your body and stop if you feel like you're pushing yourself too hard. Conclusion: high-intensity interval training is an effective workout that can help you reach your fitness goals quickly. The key to getting started with HIIT is to find the right balance between rest and exercise, and use a mix of exercises that challenge your muscles in different ways and different muscles. It's also important to listen to your body when it comes time for rest breaks so that you don't overexert yourself or risk injury. With a little bit of planning, you can enjoy all the benefits high-intensity interval training has to offer.